The second technology that I think we need to keep an eye on, although it's farther away, is ectogenesis, making babies outside of people. The An idea that's been around for a long time, back at least to the book Brave New World, is you have a machine that'll make the baby. I think that's unlikely. I think it's just there's too much we don't know about making babies to be able to and won't know for decades and decades to make a machine that can do it. But I do think that at some point we'll be able to take skin cells and make them into uteruses. First, we'll make them into hearts and livers and kidneys for transplant purposes, for life essential organs. But eventually, we'll make a uterus and figure out how to keep it alive outside a body and use that to make a baby. And last year, I realized that there are uterus transplants. I had known that there were transplants. I thought there were only two or three. It turns out that as of the middle of last year, there'd been over 100. And again, as of 18 months ago, there'd been 70 babies born through transplanted uteruses. That made me think the uterus is pretty resilient. You could get a uterus donated from a cadaver with consent from the person before she died, or from the very common procedure, a total hysterectomy, which often is done even though the uterus is fine, if the ovaries are a problem or something else, and try to keep that alive outside the body by pumping it with blood that has sugar and oxygen and all the right hormones, and see if you could use that to gestate a pregnancy.